Alright, another box. Oh. Something from NAF sale. Been wanting to check one of these out for a while. Use NAF sale quite a bit. Haven't had any issues. Also have an affiliate link with them. Someday I'll share that on here maybe. That's a pretty good way to buy and sell some stuff. Some good packaging. The condition of this was listed as a user. Somewhere in here. TRM. I've been wanting to check one of these out for a while. The Atom. Looks like brown burlap micarta. Looks pretty good. Let's try a flick. Ooh. Do that again. Thumb flick. The TRM Atom. I've been wanting to see this for a while. Very cool. This is in 20 CV. Three Rivers Manufacturing. Seems like it's in really good shape. Pretty thin blade. Very pokey and slicey. Very nice. It's a good size. These are what, 3.5 inches, I believe. And looks like these run on washers. Guess I should have looked the specs on these more. Feels like it's on washers though. Yeah. Very cool. I like the blade design on this. Comes down a little bit. Very sharp, pokey. Really light. Wasn't expecting how light it is. Liner lock. These come in all different scale types. Yeah. So used one. Good price. Finally got a hold of an Atom. Reverse it. Not much room there to reverse flick. No. That's okay. Man. Very cool. Can't wait to get this one, try it out. Looks like it'd be a good knife to take fishing. It's going to be my fishing companion. Or at least one of them. Anyway, there it is. TRM Atom. Very cool. Awesome. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing.